Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel KRISHNA'S Trading. In this video, I am going to tell you about CPR indicator. What is CPR? Whether it is lagging indicator. The CPR indicator is called central pivot range, which is not a lagging indicator, which is a stable indicator. Remember, the CPR is the heartbeat of floor pivots. TC we call in the CPR is top central pivot. The pivot which calls central pivot point. The BC is called bottom central pivot point. How the CPR will form? The formula has to calculate. It's been already calculated. You don't have to remember or mug up anything. This is just basic to know how the CPR is forming. The TCP, top central pivot, is equals to pivot minus BC plus pivot. TC is called top central pivot line. The pivot or central pivot is equals to high plus low plus close divided by 3. That means previous section high, low, close divided by 3. And the last one BC, bottom central pivot is equals to high plus low divided by 2. That means the CPR is forming based on the previous session high, low, close data. The CPR is divided into 3 lines. The first line comes in the top is called top central pivot line. You can call it as a TC or TCP. The second one or middle line is called central pivot or pivot. This is a major line. This is very important line in the CPR. And the third one is BC, nothing but bottom central pivot line. The total TCP and BC and the pivot, central pivot. This all combination we call it as a CPR, central pivot range. What is resistance and support? The resistance is selling area and support is buying area. Always remember guys, the resistance always comes above the CPR lines and the support is always comes below the CPR lines. This is a graphical representation of CPR setup. The CPR above resistances, below support. And also the previous day high line comes above the CPR, previous day low line comes below the CPR. This is a graphical representation of CPR and R1, R2, R3, S1, S2, S3. Whenever a green bullish candle breaking the top central line means market will be in a bullish mode. Whenever a red bearish candle breaking the bottom central pivot line, that means market will be in a bearish mode. If a green candle breaking the top central pivot and sustain means market will go up to R1, R2, R3. If it breaks the bottom central pivot line and if it sustains below the bottom central pivot line means market will be in a bearish mode. It will go towards S1, S2, S3. This is the basic knowledge about CPR and its setup. In the real market, the CPR indicators look like this. CPR above R1, R2, R3, below S1, S2, S3. This is the basic knowledge about CPR, Central Pivot Range. Like the video, share with your trading friends and family. Subscribe my channel, KRISHNA'S Trading. Thank you.